today we are going to discuss about PDF integration. So that means how to automate the PDF files using automation anywhere. So that's the concept here. Let's go. Here you can find the commands for PDF integration. So I'm expanding all this. So the first one is PDF to image. So this command is going to convert your PDF file into image file. Okay. Meanwhile, I am taking one more file as well. This is one more file. Here I'll put. Okay. So first, so PDF to image. I'm taking this command. So here you have to select the PDF name. So that means you have to select the PDF file. So this is my PDF file. So I'm selecting this, and we need to use a system variable. Yeah. It's recommended to use system variable. So I'm removing all these paths. I'm giving F2, and here I'm going to select a application path. So here password. If our document is password protected, then we have to provide this password. Otherwise, these passwords are not required. So this is the user level password, and here is the owner level password. But suppose our document has the user level password, you have to give the user password, and if your document has the owner level password, you have to give the owner password. So as of now, our document doesn't have any password. So then pages length. So do you want to convert all the pages, or you have to convert only set of pages? So as of now, I'm going to convert all the pages. So and now I'm going to select the path where I have to store the extracted images. Okay. So I'm going to store all of them under Shiva temp folder. Okay, here I'm going to save them, and image prefix. So prefix means, so obviously that will save in the JPEG quality, right? So but we have to provide the name for that image, right? So that's the reason is giving. So what we can give, PDF to image, I can say like this. So and I'm selecting overwrite files. So if already the file is existed with this name, that means the image is existed with this name, then that file is going to be overwrite. Okay. And when it goes to advanced view, so here are different compression modes are there. These are the all image compressions, and here some properties also there. So this is not big deal. So on grayscale, if you select this one, so your images can be captured like black and white instead of color pictures. That's this. So as of now, I'm going with the color mode only and saving this. I'm saving this. Run from this. See, it is processing all the images. Let me go and see that. My dogs, Shiva, temp folder. See here, PDF to image 1, PDF to image 2, PDF to image 3. Like this, all pages has been extracted into image format. You can see here. Yeah, see. Each page has been extracted as a single image. Like this, you can convert your PDF files into images. So here, if you edit this in edit mode, yeah, pages. So I want to select the pages. So I want the pages from 5 to 10. Yeah, save. I'm going to delete remaining temp files. So I deleted all previous image files. And now I'm going to run this again. If you see this time, only 6 images has been extracted from image 5 to image 10. That means page number 5 to page number 10. I don't want like this as well. Making this here. I want fourth page, then eighth page. After that, 13th page. If I come here, the fourth, eighth, and 13th. Like this, PDF to image will work. Let's go with the next command. Extract form fields. So what's the extract form field? First, I have to select the file name. Then I'm changing the path here. So I'm converting that static path into dynamic path. So I'm giving F2, yeah, application path. So here also same, if your document is password protected, you have to submit. So as of now, my document is not password protected. So it's not required. And I need to add the form field. I'm clicking on add button. Okay, let me close. Let me select one more time. So I am not changing the path. So now I'm clicking on add button. See, while you automating, you should not change the path. So once you automated, that means once you extracted the fields, whatever you required, you can change the path into dynamic way. Okay, that's the reason earlier we are not able to see the file. So here account number is a one field in this document. Transaction dates is another field. Transaction period is another field. So these are different field, right? So amount from is one field, check number from is one field. So these are different fields on this particular document. So now I want to extract these fields from this document. How can I extract means here now I want to extract the account number. Okay. See, I'm just selecting this thing. See, then it will be highlighted with this blue color. Simple. Sorry. Right. How you can select means in the normal Word document, how you will select with the help of mouse, you can select in the same way. So after that, you can customize this one as well. See, I'm dragging this like this. Once box is created, you can adjust that. So just you have to drag the box on top of that with help of your mouse. Okay, now I have selected. After that, what I have to do? So after that, I have to put the cursor on top of that box. Then this plus kind of symbol will be come, right? Then you have to give the right click. Then this add field button will be displayed. Then you have to select add field. Then you have to click on that particular button. Here the value. So here you can cross check whether you are extracting the exact field or not. So you may miss any character like that. So here I'm doing this. So here I am giving the field name as account number, and I'm assigning this to prompt assignment. Okay, save. I'm saving this, and I'm saving this. So select the file is encrypted. Continue without password. Yes, I want to continue without password. So I'm adding two more variables. Test one. So I'm just creating the temp variable site. That's the reason. Otherwise, I can say we. So these are my remaining variables. Now again, I'm going to edit this command. Again, I want to add one more. This time, I want to get the transaction period. Okay, so again, I'm selecting this. Again, right click, add to field. Field name is, what is this field name? Transaction period. So I'm assigning this one to this temp variable, and I want to get one more thing, transaction list. So transaction list belongs to this person. Okay, add to field. Section list, and I'm going to assign this to v test one. Okay, I'm saving this, and I'm saving this command as I'm continuing. Now I'm going to take the message box. I'm going to print these three variables. First one is prompt assignment. Next one is temporary variable. After that, test variable. So I'm going to put enter here. I'm learning from this particular step. See, if we observe, all these three fields has been extracted. So like this, you can extract required fields from a PDF file. So that is about extract form field.